Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're unable to type into Windows dialog, Windows search box different fields. So this is an issue with the CTFM executable on your computer, which controls the alternative user input as well as the office language bar, and basically allow users to control the computer via speech on the screen keyboard inputs as well as touchscreen pins. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung services. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa services and services local, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Windows search. Okay, so scroll down lang tayo at hanapin natin dito yung Windows search. Alright, okay, so ito siya. So once nakita mo na yung Windows search, so kailangan mo lang mag-double click and then pop-up ito ang kanyang properties. So dito lang sa general and then dito lang sa startup type. So dapat nakaselect dito yung automatic. And then next, dito lang sa running, i-click mo lang dito yung stop and then wait natin. And then dito sa service status, i-click mo lang dito yung start and then wait natin ulit. And then after that, i-click mo lang dito yung apply and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito sa services, and next solution na pwede natin gawin. So dito lang sa taskbar ay kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung task manager. And dito sa Task Manager, dito na sa Processes tab. So dito ay kailangan mo lang i-locate yung Windows Explorer or dito sa taas, kailangan mo lang i-search yung Windows Explorer. And then makikita mo kaagad dito. So ang gagawin natin ay kailangan mo lang i-select and right-click. And then select mo lang dito yung Restart. Okay, so click lang natin yan and then wait natin. Okay, so once na-restart mo na, and then another solution na pwede natin gawin. So close lang natin tong Task Manager. So dito lang ulit sa search menu, so click mo lang siya and then dito sa search for app, type mo lang dito yung settings and then click mo lang dito yung open. And next step, so dito sa left side menu, kailangan mo lang select dito yung privacy and security, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa right side, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung searching Windows. Okay, so ito siya. So under dito sa Windows permissions, scroll down ka lang and then select mo lang dito yung searching Windows. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa searching Windows settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down ulit. And next step, dito lang sa related settings, so kailangan mo lang select dito yung index serve troubleshooter. So click lang natin yan. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems dito sa search and indexings. Okay, so once na complete na siya, so ganito yung makikita mo. So dito ay kailangan lang natin i-check yung box na my problem. So check the boxes for the problem you notice. Okay, so select ka lang dito kung ano yung my problem dyan. So iselect mo lang ganyan. And then dito sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong next and then wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems. Alright? So dito naman, so please describe your problem. So input mo lang dito. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung next. Alright, so after dito sa searching Windows, so and other solution na pwede natin gawin, so cross lang natin yan. Dito lang ulit sa search menu and dito sa search for apps. So type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now, ay one word yan, and then press mo lang enter. And makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. Okay, so finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD and then dito lang sa start menu and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix can type in the search bar in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.